Hey guys, my name is Sobin Shrivastava and welcome back to YouTube channel. So few days ago I got a sponsorship offer from the Wondershare for making a video on the software called Recover8. So Recover8 is a recovery software which can be used to recover any type of file that you accidentally deleted from your smartphone or your laptop or PC or even from your hard disk or pen drive. So you can use the Recover8 to recover any type of file that you deleted accidentally. So whether that type of the file is the photos or videos or audio documents or anything, you can recover it. And for that I'm going to just show you a demo by just deleting a photo of my DSLR, and I will try to recover it using the Recover8 software. So let's see whether this software is going to work or whether you should invest your time or your money on this software or not. Okay, so let's start this video without wasting any time. And first of all, let's download the Recover8. For that, you simply need to go to the website called Wondershare, recovery.wondershare.com, and you will find a link of this website in the description. So just go there and just go to this website. So here you will find all the important features of the Recover8 software. So first of all, it can recover all the type of the files, and it can recover the SD card which can be damaged accidentally, and even it can just recover any partition that you accidentally deleted from your hard disk or even from your SSD, and it can just recover all the files of your hard drive which may be possible even that many of your hard drive is crashed, or due to some reason it's you lost your data in your hard drive and you want to recover it. So you can use the Recover8 software, and here you can see also that it can recover the photos and everything else. Okay, so all type of files that you accidentally deleted can be recovered using this software. So let's first of all download this software. So just simply click on this download now button and it will start the download process. Here you can see. So in the Windows the process is the same. Just simply go to this website and just click on the download now, and it will give you the .exe format of the setup, and after that when you open it, it will download all the additional file that is needed to be install the Recover8 software. Okay, so you can see it's downloading the zip file which contains the setup of the Recover8. So let's wait for this process to be completed. So right now you can see it's completed in my PC. So I simply click on it and I will click on the open, and after that in your Windows laptop it will show something like this also, and here you will see some type of the setup menu, and simply click on the install button, and here you can see I just already have installed it just to check it for you, and I'm just going to reinstall it again. So it will just do the download process, and here it will take little bit of time, and after the download process will completed, it will launch the Recover8 software. Okay, and you can see it's downloading the software. So let me come back when this process will complete. Okay guys, so right now you can see the download process completed. So when the download process will complete in your Windows or Mac laptop, it will open something like this, and here you will see all the type of the storage or partition you have in your PC. So I have these two devices. So this one is my partition of my SSD. This one contains the Mac OS and this one contains the Windows. And in the external device you can see this is my Samsung SSD that I shown you earlier. Okay, and even you can select different type of the location, whether it is a trash or desktop, or select any specific folder. And here you will also find some advanced recovery option. For example, here you can see you can recover from any crashed computer. For example, it may be possible in your life that any of your PCs crashed because of the corruption of some of the system's files, and you can use this software to recover it. And even you can repair any video which is not working because of the some of the type of the error, whether it is a CRC error or any other type of the error. So you can use the Recover8 to fix it. Okay, so first of all I'm going to delete the photo that I just copied into my SSD. Here you can see this is my SSD, and here in a DSLR photo. So this is the photo that I just clicked it from my DSLR, and right now I'm not in the focus of this photo, but there is not any problem. I'm just going to delete it, and let's see whether this software is able to recover it or not. So here you can see I just click on the move to trash, and from the trash here you can see this photo is here. You can see, let me show you like this. You can see in the trash again, here you find this photo, and from here I'm going to delete it completely. So it is permanently deleted from my PC, even from the trash or recycle bin in your Windows. So after that just open the recover it software and select the media from where you want to recover your file. So I'm going to recover it from my Samsung T5, which is an SSD. I click on it and I will click on the start. So it will start the scanning process. You can see, so it will take little bit of time to complete this whole scanning process. It will take around 30 to 20 minutes depending on your storage media size. Right now I'm using my SSD, which is having the capacity of 500 gigabyte. So it will scan all the files and it will show all the deleted files that you have done ever with this SSD or even with your storage device. So my SSD of 500 GB, and right now you can see it is having 178 GB of file already recovered, and which is showing here. You can see this is the my game Metal Gear Solid, which is in a game which I deleted because of the size issue, and I also deleted the Just Cause 4 and it's showing here. So I can recover it directly from here, but my target here in this video is to recover the photo that I deleted earlier in front of you. Okay, so let me wait when this process will complete. So when this scanning process will complete, I will be able to see my photo that I deleted in front of you. Okay, you can see it's just doing all the process, so just wait here. So right now you can see there is not the name of the folder from where I deleted my file, my photo, and the folder name was the DSLR photo, something like that. So just wait for a while to see whether the photo is going to come back or not. Okay, just let me come back when this scanning process will completed. Okay guys, so right now you can see the percentage of the scanning is right now 62%, and now let's check whether our deleted photo is showing up in the searched or recovered file or not. So up to this time it's not fully completed, but let's check whether it's available or not. So just go to the file type, and here in the photos click on the JPG format of the file. You can see, so it's showing my all the old photos that I deleted from my this SSD. Okay, so just slide down and go and see. So you can see this is my photo that I deleted just before in front of you, and right now it's showing in this search result, and it means that the scanning process is almost completed. And now when I will double click on it, you can see it's loading the file and it's saying please wait patiently. So okay guys, so here you can see this is the file or photo that I deleted earlier, and right now you can see it's showing back in the my recover it software. So it means that after deleting the photos or videos or any documents file, you can easily get back using this recovered file. So let me click on the recover, and here you will see you can still recover 100 MB files from the free version. And right now I'm selected the file or photo which is having the size 2.35 MB, and even if you want to recover the file of higher size, you need to just buy its plan. And let's see firstly whether it's going to recover fully my image, and after that if it work, you can just download and just buy the plan. And if you have any heavy file that you accidentally deleted or any of your some important files, so they can just easily recover it using this software. Okay, so let's me click on this recover button. You can see, and it is asking where I want to save. So I'm going to select the documents folder. You can see, and I will click on the save. You can see it's recovering the file, and now you can see it's showing that file recover is successfully. So let me go back to the document folder and see whether it's present there or not. So you can see this is my documents folder, and here you can see there is a folder with them with the name of recover it and with the time and date of the file at which it recovered. So let me open this folder, and here you can see there is folder name photos, and here in the JPEG you'll find the photo that I deleted earlier. You can see, so this is the photo that I deleted earlier, and in front of you I just recovered it using the recover it software. Okay, so this is the way through which you can just recover any of your important file or videos or any type of data that you accidentally deleted from any mode of your storage. Okay, so you can just use the recover it software and recover it. So for that, just simply go to description, you'll find a link to the software, and from there just download it. And if you want to recover any larger file having the size of 100 or 20 or any type of the gigabyte or any even in the 500 GB. It can even recover the full hard disks or any hard drive that accidentally crashed. So you can use this software to recover it. So that's all guys for this video. I hope you like it, and if you're new to our channel, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon, and just never miss any update. Okay, so have a good day, good luck, and bye, take care.